What is going on, everybody? Thank you for clicking the link. This is your boy Crisis 20, where real tutorials will take you to the next level. All right, so today we have another LED tutorial, and y'all know I love my LEDs. Qoolife, I hope I'm saying your name correctly, sent me over their product that they would like for me to review. All right, and I'm not contractually binded by this company or anything like that. They just want me to do an honest review on their product, so that's what I'm going to do. So Alan, thank you for sending this over to me, and for all you guys out there, I hope you guys find this a useful tutorial or product for you guys. All right, so this is going to be like an unboxing and a review all in one shot. All right, so y'all hear that? I think it's here. So stay with me, guys. I'm gonna go grab it right quick, and I'll see you back after the intro. Alright guys, so I have here the Qoolife Submersible LED light. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys the box really quick here. The model number for this is QL11SL-2. Alright, so that's the model number of this. Alright, so we're just gonna unbox it and see what's inside. First up, we have the RGB LED. It comes with a plastic cover on it. Right here has a little lip for the plastic here. And also on the back of it, it has the model number there, the magnet. Alright, the magnet's right there, and submergible LED light. Alright, open, close, so I guess twist to open. Alright, so you would need 3 AA batteries in here to get this working. This part of it's pretty heavy. Well, I guess this is some type of metal plating or something here, but it seems pretty heavy on this side. Alright, this side's pretty thick. There is a plastic ring that's around this metal casing. Alright, so obviously if you're gonna submerge this underwater, you want to close this as tight as possible. Once you screw this in to the point where it starts to get tough on you, that's where you're touching the rubber. And that's where the sealing is coming in place now when you put this thing underwater. So that is how it's compromising for the water, so no water gets in. And they got grooves in here where you match the grooves with the pattern, and that way it's kind of flush. So that way when you know you are screwing this in, so to speak, you're screwing this in as tight as possible. Alright, so you want to even up with the grooves there. Alright, and that's as tight as it could go, really. Yeah, this thing is pretty secure. So this thing looks pretty submergible, pretty secure for the water not getting inside. So it feels like it from this standpoint. So that's this part of it here. Alright, so let's see what else we have. I'm gonna rip that box open. Alright, comes with a remote, RGB, cyan, yellow, and magenta. Alright, white, I believe, and then you got the flash in different colors and modes. Alright, so that is that there. RF wireless. Okay, let's take this out the plastic. Alright, and in order for this to work, you have to pull that plastic piece in order for it to work. And to release the battery, you push this down. You push this down with one finger, and you pull this part out here with your fingertips, your nail, or whatever have you, and you just pull it out slowly like that, and it comes out. Alright, so that is that. And then last but not least, it comes with Instructions. Here's your instruction manual. I don't know if you guys can see it good, but that is the manual. So that's that. And also it comes with this small package here. Oh, 3. Dang. Woo. Dang. Okay, so 4 suction, I don't know what to call these, suction cups. But there's 4 of them in that small bag there. And okay, I see. So you slide them in here. Slide them in there like so. And then you would stick it onto any surface in the water. I'm assuming a flat surface, and it should stick. I think they give you 2 extra just in case you lose one, because I don't see any other place where these suction cups would really go. And it looks like maybe you could hang this on the wall, because if you really look at it, let me get you guys a closer look here. If you really look, there's a little spot like you can hang it on something there. So maybe you can hang it on something as well too. And it's on both sides. So now let me test this bad boy out and see what we got going here, guys. Let's see what we're working with. Alright, so batteries are in. Take this part out. Blue, magenta, yellow, and cyan. Alright, so it looked like it's working good. Actually, let me turn off the lights so you could get a full understanding of this thing. So this is what it looks like, guys, and it's pretty damn bright because I'm squinting my eyes. If I look at it directly like that, I'm squinting my eyes, so it is damn near pretty bright. So let's see. Yeah, even if I make it a darker color, yeah, if I'm putting it to my face, I'm still squinting my eyes. So yeah, this is pretty bright, guys. Okay, so let's check out white. Alright, that's white. It's a rich white too. It's not faded like a yellow, faded light or anything like that. It's a real white. So that's cool, that's cool. Alright, so let's see what these modes are. Look in the manual here. See. Alright, so fixed looks like it's all colors and modes mixed. So that's what fixed is. And then they have a button here called auto, and then it says all colors change in turn slowly and breathe. So let's try auto. Okay. Alright, so, and it says here for the crossfade, seems like I was doing it incorrectly here. For the crossfade, let's just say you hit the red and then you hit the crossfade button. Then it says here the red color breathes continuously. So if you choose blue, then you choose blue, then hit crossfade. Then that's pretty much what it does. Pretty much it just breathes. Crossfade to me is when you are fading into another color and then you breeze goes down and goes to another color. So that one is a little misleading. I would actually change crossfade to breathe, really, because that's essentially what it's doing, is breathing. it's not like fading into another color, because that, to me, that's what cross would mean to me. But this is actually just breathing. They have flash. Oh, they flash different colors. Okay, that's cool. So that is all the modes for this device, guys. So now I'm just gonna play around with this thing, and I'm gonna try submerging it in water. I'm gonna try all the other good stuff. So let's see what I can make of this thing. So now I'm gonna show you guys the underwater process for the product. Okay, so I'm gonna just place this here in the middle of the tub. I screwed this in as tight as possible, so no water should get in there. So we'll see. We'll find out shortly. Here we go. So I'm gonna let this fill up to above the height of the product, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so it is now completely submerged underwater. Alright, so just to show you really quick. Completely submerged. Alright. Alright, completely submerged. Let's see if it turns on. And there you have it. It is on. So remember guys, to screw this in as tight as possible before you actually put this underwater. Do not leave this on first and then put it underwater. You don't want to electrocute yourself. So yeah, so just make sure you turn it off, put it in the water, then submerge, and then turn it on. So I'm going to show you guys how this looks at nighttime. I just wanted to show you this part of it so that way you can see what I'm doing, because you know it's daytime, so you can see what I'm doing. And at nighttime, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the water, but nighttime, right? So it's illuminating. Now I'm gonna show how it looks from afar. Alright, so this is what it looks like far away, but that's how bright this thing is. It's illuminating the whole tub, so it's pretty bright. So I just wanted to showcase what it looks like underwater, and also how it illuminates at nighttime versus daytime, things like that. So just trying different things here.
Valentine's Day is almost here, so I decided to spice it up with this submergible LED light. Take a look. And not only can you use this submergible LED for just decor lighting or mood lighting, you can also use this for photography as well. I am a photographer and I do photography on the side, so I figure why not use this product for it? You know, it doesn't hurt. My wife decided to volunteer, so I said why not? Here are the results. So that about wraps it up for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed everything you saw here today. Overall, it's a good product. You can mount it, you can put it on magnetic surfaces, you can put it underwater. I mean, You pretty much can do it all with this particular product, and also you can use it for other means as well. You could use this product for game rooms, you could use this product for entertainment center areas, you could use this product for romantic lighting, photography, things like that. And on top of that, the LEDs are bright, they're visible, and you can see the colors that come out. In my book, it's worth it. The only thing I would change would be the wording on the controller. Where it has the crossfade, I would change that to breathe, because that's pretty much what you're doing. But other than that, this is a solid product. Till next time, guys, this is your boy Crisis 20, and I'll catch you guys at another LED tutorial. Peace.